Coco, you feta, get out of the way. Feta? You feta, get out of the way. I don't know which one is the word.
You know what, that's not funny.
It's so bad. It's not funny, but it's funny. What are we making today? Let's do it our way.
Okay, let's do it.
We don't need no internet.
All right.
We don't need no fake news Spanakopita.
So you want to, just filming for this?
Just filming an onion.
All right, so we're making Spanakopita, and Abraham's starting with cutting up the onions.
Apparently, I've never been on TV before, and apparently, have you seen that kid? Have you?
Yeah. They're gonna look like that.
All right.
So.
Are you getting this? Are you getting? No one knows what it looks like to cut an onion, so.
No, you can. Who's got it? Did Titanic? Ugh. Chris.
Quentin Tarantino.
No. Let's just do a video where we don't talk.
Okay.
Titanic.
Oh, Chris Nolan.
No, shut up. I can't deal with it.
She doesn't know anything about movies.
What was his name?
How's that? Do I need more? Less?
Oh, you're not gonna saute all of them?
I know the answer.
Just tell me the answer, because he's my friend.
James Cameron.
James Cameron! So we don't want any color on them, we just want them softened.
Oh, crap. No, whatever it is, no.
So there is no way you could do that
No.
without
No, I told you no. I don't know why you keep asking me.
doing this, all of this. Oh, that's nice, thanks, yes. So that was really messy. Do you cook like that at home?
Who are you?
I mean, like, seriously. Do you cook like that at home, or is it just your mom's house?
Why are you in my house?
Yeah, no kidding. Just... Be generous. Generous. Perfect. Salt and pepper. A little bit more feta. Can you?
Well, I can't hear you. What?
Can you, Abraham? Can you use a clean spoon on that, please? I'm gonna just go 1, 2. I think I need to make them bigger. They're too thin. They're hard to fold. We need to set up our workspace.
It's set up.
You know, it has a little bit of a learning curve, but it's fun to make.
Is it funny? Is it funny?
Okay, show me.
Look at that, that's not bad.
Hold on. Okay.
You doubt my powers? Bam, bam, bam. I just want people to know how easy it is, and it's still gonna be perfect.
We don't strive for perfection here.
You're the producer and you're not even paying attention.
My hand cramped. This is messy, but this is kind of fun. See, look at that. One more.
Wow. Wow.
Can you organize those?
Okay, I guess I'll just do everything.
All right, I'm gonna put them in the oven and we will see. Bye, good luck.
How long are we putting them in for?
Till they're done. I mean, I think they're gonna be, I'm saying 20 minutes. That's my guess. I'm guessing 20 minutes.
Okay, so it has not been 20 minutes?
It has not been 20 minutes.
It has been about 40, but that was the right amount of time. Look at that.
Perfect appetizer.
It's like a little hat. No.
They're so cute. So what do you think? I mean, these are great little appetizers. You have to have one first.
They're fun. These are fun.
I think these were great. Spanakopita. We didn't do the tzatziki. Do we need to do a follow-up video for it? Let us know. We will. It's funny.
Mom, I'm gonna start a comedy channel next.
Apparently not.
Oh.
Just wipe that on the floor.
Unmotivated.
Just say, thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.
Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Bye. Are we done yet?
Just thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.